What's up everyone? Welcome back to AJet TV Vlogs. Today we're here at the iconic Shibuya crossing. And as you can see, it's a rainy day here in Tokyo. Most people wait for sunny weather before exploring the city, but honestly, I think Shibuya becomes even more beautiful when it rains. Just look around. The colorful umbrellas, the bright neon lights reflecting on the wet streets, and thousands of people moving in every direction, it feels like you're walking inside a movie scene. One thing I love about Tokyo is that rain doesn't stop the city. Kahit umuulan, tuloy pa rin ang buhay. People keep walking, trains keep running, and everyone goes about their day like it's completely normal. As we stand here at Shibuya Crossing, mapapansin ninyo kung gaano ka-amazing ang atmosphere. The streets shine like mirrors, reflecting every light from the giant billboards and buildings around us. Then listen to the sounds. The raindrops hitting umbrellas, footsteps splashing through puddles, and the constant energy of the city. It's busy, but somehow relaxing at the same time. Alam ninyo, maraming tao ang gustong makita ang Shibuya kapag maaraw. But for me, this rainy weather gives the place a different kind of charm. It's more cinematic, more dramatic, and definitely more memorable. Every time the traffic light turns green, thousands of people cross from all directions. It's one of the busiest intersections in the world, yet everything remains organized. Nakakabilib talaga kung paano gumagalaw ang lahat ng maayos kahit sobrang daming tao. This is one of the reasons why visitors from all over the world come here. Not just because it's famous, but because it represents the energy and rhythm of Tokyo itself. Minsan kasi, the best travel experiences happen when things aren't perfect. A little rain, a cloudy sky, and unexpected moments often create the memories that stay with us the longest. So if you're planning to visit Tokyo someday and you see rain in the forecast, don't worry. Grab an umbrella, walk through the streets, and enjoy the experience. Baka mas magustuhan mo pa ito kaysa sa sunny day. Standing here in the middle of Shibuya, surrounded by lights, umbrellas, and endless city energy, it's easy to see why this place is one of Japan's most famous landmarks. Maraming salamat sa pagsama ninyo sa akin today. If you enjoyed this rainy day adventure, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AJet TV Vlogs for more amazing journeys around Japan. Until next time, keep exploring, stay positive, and enjoy every adventure, rain or shine. This is AJet TV Vlogs, signing off from Shibuya, Tokyo. Mata ne!
들어서